शुक्रारा वास्को पोलिसांनी धवणगिरी कर्नाटक वाठारातल्या युसुफ शेख या 48 वर्सां पिरायेच्या मनशाक मोबाईल फोन चोरयेच्या प्रकरणात धरलो। पळयात पुराय बातमी। वास्को पोलिसांनी कर्नाटक धवणगिरीच्या युसुफ शेख या 48 वर्सां पिरायेच्या मनशाक मोबाईल चोरी प्रकरणात धरला। पोलिसांनी ताचे कडल्यान 1.5 लाख रुपया मोलाचे 9 मोबाईल जप्त केल्यात। वास्को पीआय कपिल नायकान दिल्ले माहिती प्रमाण तो साबार गुन्यांवकारी घडणुकांनी घुसपला।
Today morning, our LIB staff was on patrolling duty in Vasco city area. So we found one person moving suspiciously at KTC bus stand with one bag. So we detained him and questioned him. So he was failed to give the satisfactory answer. So after his search was taken by him and found about 9 mobiles worth rupees 1,50,000 in his possession. So when he was asked about the said mobiles, he was failed to give the satisfactory answer. Accordingly, he was detained and brought at the police station and conducted a detailed inquiry, and it was revealed that the said mobiles has been stolen by this person from Pengim, Margaon and Kolwa area. So he disclosed his name as Yusuf Sheikh, age about 48 years. He is residence of Dhawangiri. So last year also he was arrested near Manua police station and they covered some 20 mobiles. So now there are festivals like Sunburn and all. So there is every possibility that such type of persons may commit theft of such mobiles in these areas. So we have taken him in custody and now we will conduct the further inquiry.
सर तो हांगा आयल्लो तो फक्त ह्याच कामाक लागून आयल्लो असो दिसता काय तो हांगा रावपी बी?
येस, तो मोस्टली हेच काम करता। ताचें काम म्हळ्यार तो हांगा येता मागीर मोबायल थेफ्ट करता आनी ते व्हरून मागीर विकप, हेजें काम।
हेच्या पयलीं ताका अरेस्ट केल्लो?
हाजे पयलीं ताका मालगांव पुलीस स्टेशनार अरेस्ट केल्लो लास्ट इयर। 20 मोबायल सुमार ते कवर केल्ले।
तो हॅबिच्युअल।
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, समृता खणगांवकर आनी शिवानी सांगेलकार।